Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at MC Paradise. If this is your first video, go down and hit the subscribe button because there's all kinds of crazy awesome car content, especially with this Porsche with the massive chassis mounted wings. If you guys haven't seen that, definitely go check out some of my older videos of showing how to build this chassis mounted wing and how it's pretty much a bash bar, how it's bolted onto the frame. But yeah, currently I'm in the middle of doing an oil change. So if we go up underneath here, kind of have the pan there. I don't know if you can really tell. It's still dripping just a little bit. There's a little fine line. But soon I'm going to finish that. If you wonder why I have the back open, the oil does go in through the back. If you guys want to see a how-to video on that, I actually have how-to videos on this channel of doing the oil change on this car, as well as like spark plugs, ignition coils, and some other stuff. So definitely go check out some of my older videos. But yeah, just got a bunch of like stuff going on around the house. This isn't really like a big, exciting, like going out, doing something crazy. I just gotta go get some home decor later. And I have a new fish tank, so let me show you guys that. All right, guys, so I got this new fish tank, and currently there is nothing in it. I'm actually letting it cycle for a few weeks because what needs to go in here, and water needs to be a specific condition and temperature. You guys might already know just by me saying that alone, but I got a couple places for some stuff to hide under and in and around. I got a little barrel in there, some plants. So this is gonna be nice. It's like I think it's like a 29 or 30 gallon tank. I ended up getting this little cabinet that goes with it, which is really nice because I can just keep all the accessories and whatnot and all the supplies down in there. Got some extra sand and stuff. I also got a bucket. So I mean, this is like my new little setup. Hopefully soon I'm going to be able to add living things or a living thing. Not saying what exactly I'm getting, but for now that's what I got. If you guys haven't seen, I actually have all these like, obviously it's Lego cars and stuff. These are like dry models. Like this is my hand right here. So I mean, you can see how big these things are. I love these. And then coming over here, I actually have a McLaren 720S wheel. This is actually the rear wheel, and I pretty much made a coffee table out of it. So you can pretty much sit right here, watch TV. It's such a good like centerpiece. I don't know, I love it. Then also I have these. So I actually made this. It is pretty much a Porsche manifold from a 911. The intake manifold, and it has an Alcantara backing, like a nice little metal Porsche logo on there. I do sell these, so if you guys are interested, definitely hit me up. I have another one that I just recently made. It's actually a kind of like golf themed. So you see like the little golf badge right there. Got the metal Porsche one right there. Got the Alcantara backing as well, and then the golf colors. So if you guys are interested in getting something with like a car part with the Alcantara backing, definitely let me know. You can shoot me a message on Instagram, comment down below. I can get in touch with you. But yeah, just like a little side project that I thought was really cool. I wanted to put one in my house, and then I made another one. I'm like, why not? Let's see how it goes. But yeah, definitely let me know if you guys are interested in one, because I can pretty much do anything, like maybe a part of an exhaust or another intake manifold, something from a different car, engine cover. Possibilities are endless, but let me know. But like I said, I'm currently doing an oil change, and right there you can kind of see a little bit of the oil still running out. It does take a little while for the Porsche oil to run out, but if you haven't really ever seen underneath a Porsche before, you see like the bottom part of the engine, got this right here, which is the exhaust manifold, or the header, whatever you want to refer to it as. Then you got the other one on the other side, those little lumps. Yeah, that's what the exhaust runs straight out the back there and on the other side. So a lot of people don't really ever get to see up underneath the Porsche. The rest of it is pretty much covers all the way up. So you're not really going to get to see anything other than just here on the back end where the engine's at. Alright guys, so I just got the oil change done, got a lot of other little things to kind of clean up on the car that I saw. Just kind of like wiping down certain things up underneath. But I'm going to shower and then I'm going to go take the thing on a little test drive just to make sure that everything is good. I'm just going to go ahead and do that because there's like dirt and stuff all over my arms and like all over me. So I'm going to go shower, get cleaned up, and then I'm going to hop in this thing and take it around for a little spin around the block. Alright guys, so I just love the way this car sounds. Right now everything's smooth, everything's good to go. Don't hear any sounds or anything. We're looking good. The car feels nice and fresh. Like you can tell when there's new oil in the car because it's so nice and smooth. Everything feels so good. So I'm gonna get the oil up to temperature, get home, park it in the garage, and then just kind of let it sit and make sure that there's no leaks or anything. But this video wasn't anything exciting. It was just kind of like another day here at the house. So if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Hit subscribe if you want to see more videos, like not just like this, but like with cooler, crazier stuff, or maybe going on cruises with this car, a bunch of other crazy, awesome cars. But definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.